Hello. Oh, Jesus. You have to understand I do so much readings back to back every single day. This is crazy. Cancer. Hi, Cancer. This is your channel messages for the 23rd of November. I am your host, Vanessa Carby. Cancer, this is your channel song. Cancer, I don't know why these just keep fucking with me, Cancer. Because all I want to do is just be with you, Cancer. I don't leave me the fuck alone, man. Woke up in the middle of the night and I noticed my boy wasn't by my side. Could have sworn I was dreaming, for him I was feeling, so I had to take a little ride. Backtracking on these few years, trying to figure out what I did to make it so bad. But ever since my boy left me, my whole life came crashing. Now I'm so lonely, Mr. 311 was like, Lord, you better stay, you better not be killing none of these, because after we're finished with you, can't believe I had a boy like you and I just let him walk right out of my life. After all I put him through, he still stuck around, stayed by my side. What really hurts me is that I broke your heart, baby, you're a good boy and I had no right. I really want to make things right, boy. Without you in my life, boy, I'm so lonely, Mr. Lonely. I have nobody to call my own. So lonely, Mr. Lonely. I have nobody to call my own. You lonely, Cancer, I know it, I know. You fight for your fucking life, man. I've just been so busy with tarot readings lately. I don't have no time for my love life or my family or friends or nothing, okay? I'm getting Cancer, you feel lonely. Or better yet, Cancer, I can't believe you had a girl like me and you just let me walk right out of your life. Assuming I still have legs. After all I put you through, you still stuck around and stayed by my side. Cancer, what really hurts me is that I broke your heart. Cancer, you're a good guy and I had no right. I really want to make things right, boy. Or maybe that's how you feel about a girl. You really want to make things right, Cancer. Because without her in your life, you feel lonely. Chasing other bitches, that's what you want. That's what happened to you, Cancer, when you think that the grass is greener on the other side. Sweetie, the grass is greener where you water it. I don't know why the fuck you keep thinking that the grass is greener on the other side. That's what you get. You had a nice one by you and you make her walk out of your life. You put her through shit. And you didn't even invest shit in her. So how you gonna put her through shit before you invest in her and expect her to stay? You want to see if she's a real down-ass bitch. No, she's a dumb-ass bitch. That's what the fuck she is. Again, you may want to make things right, so maybe you want to say sorry. Sometimes a sorry is all it takes. But sometimes, sorry cannot fix every problem. But I'm getting your lonely, Cancer. Even if you have other... I'm getting they're not like this person, or I'm getting you don't like anybody else. How do you feel knowing that your girlfriend hates everybody, including your friends? It's okay. She likes me, so I guess that's a start. We have the Wheel of Fortune coming out first. What is on the bottom will always be on the top, and who is on the top will always be on the bottom. So Cancer, I'm getting you are lonely now. Were you lonely 7 years ago? Were you lonely 10 years ago? Me getting everything coming in cycles, Cancer. Maybe everybody in a relationship and you're not. And I'm getting when you were in a relationship, all your friends were single. It goes in a cycle. Now, if you notice that you and your friend them can't, if you notice you're on a friend circle or you're on a specific person and you and them can't date the same time, it's like when your friend have a boyfriend, you single, you can't find a match. Or when your friend single, you have boyfriend. Me getting is either your friend does magic upon you or somebody in your circle do magic upon you. Somebody want you to watch them so-called be in love while you sit down and watch them. They don't want you to have a life for yourself. But me getting you and your friend never have a boyfriend at the same time. Or you and all of these people who never seem to have a boyfriend at the same time. When you have a boyfriend, one single. When you have a boyfriend, one I go through divorce. It was always me getting because it's something around your friend circle and they must stop it. They're blocking you. They're blocking the from you, basically. They're saying that they're your wingman. They're not your fucking wingman. Let's see what's happening here. So I'm getting you're very lonely since someone left Cancer, and I'm glad you could admit that and not be a Leo and not admit it. We have the Ace of Swords, Ace of Wands. Oh, plus I'm getting this is the only person you want to touch yourself too. I'm getting you love how somebody smell you, love how them, I want to say taste. I don't know why I want to say that, but me getting yeah, you miss somebody. Me getting if you hear somebody voice, you get horny. Me getting everything, but you just love. Me getting love. I am not getting it. Me getting you love somebody so much, Cancer, but me getting you don't know how to love. You the fucked up things, the demonic things, but me getting in your heart. That's what you think love is. So Ace of Wands. Maybe you feel like if you don't want to have sex with somebody, mean you don't love them. Or me getting you had sex with somebody and you fell in love with them ever since, okay? But the Ace of Wands, yeah, the Queen of Cups, me getting it's a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio woman. I think it's a Cancer. Me getting something about this woman, you're in love with this woman, you're in love with how she have sex with you, you're in love, like, me getting you can be around this woman and don't even have sex with her. Me getting you love this woman, 4 out. So this could also be for some reason this woman keep telling you she don't want to have sex with you. And I will tell these women, be very careful, right? I hear somebody say something yesterday and I agree. She's like, yeah, all these men, all these men want to do is give me money, but I just don't want the money. I want to do. I'm like, exactly. That's exactly what I was saying too. I don't understand why is it that people did not understand my ideology. Yes, I want money, but then what you gonna do for the money? You just want the money, so she's like, yeah, I want to do, right? So, you know, right? Okay, great. So going back to this, now I'm also getting something about like okay, so I'm getting yeah, you need to be careful. I'm getting you take this man money and you're not giving no sex. Be careful. You know when I was going to high school, I high school with this girl, I don't remember what she name. And she was a high schooler, she was like 16, 17, and she dealt with like this 30, 20 odd year old man, but he was like a gunman, like a don for the area. And basically him gave her money. So, you know, she was coming to school with enough money. Imagine you going to a school uniform and this girl are coming with the latest everything because she dealt with this big man. And apparently she keep her walk with pad in her bag. Every minute she walk with pad. I said she her period. Every minute she meet the man she tell him, I don't know if this is true, but from in a high school till now, this is a story that we were told. Right? She always tell the man so she can't keep she up on her period. Every time she visit him, she send him on her period. So the man end up one day strip her clothes and shoot her in her and kill her. Give her 1 in her head and 2 in her because she take the whole of her money and she wouldn't give this man sex. And she was a high school girl and this man is a big man who buried bodies already. She was fucking with. And remember, she always walk with the pad on her side. Every minute she tell the guy, oh, I don't want to have sex with him upon my period. The guy end up shoot her in her pussy. Literally, there was bullet holes there. Now, if the story never got so, please correct me. But since me I go Excelsior High School, because they had her funeral at the high school, that's where we had her funeral. No, not that one. That was a different girl. Sorry. We never had that girl. Sorry, it was a different girl. When we did get shoot, she was sleeping and then police was shooting out with criminals and she get hit in her sleep while she inside and she dead in her sleep. That's the one that was held at Excelsior High School. There was another girl now, that's how she did dead. So me getting be careful because me getting you keep a tell a man say yeah, menstruate. You can't have sex with him. Me getting a man and give you money, him a pay for things for you. Okay. You should know if man can rape, if you know them evil, man wicked. Man are the wickedest blood clot creature upon this earth. You have to be very wary with them and you need to know which one of them you get yourself involved with. It's not as simple as you see it. So I'm getting this man, him want to have sex with you, you keep a tell him no, or you keep a tell him have to wait until you're baptized, him have to come into the church with you. I don't know what you tell him, but I'm getting you doing it to buy time. Because the 4 of Swords leads to the 5 of Swords. 5 of Swords is a lie, scheme, and plot. You'll get catch. Be careful. I never forgot. I always remember that schoolmate me did have social studies with her. And right before she did, remember with her talking in the classroom, and one of the girls said she have a friend and she keep her go to man for money, and she says not that her parents don't have money, them have money, but if she there with this big man, should I get more money? Her friend was talking about her in the classroom to everybody. I said she have one friend, she had to try to tell a friend to stop dating this man because she's afraid something gonna happen to her. A couple of weeks, yeah. That day she never came to class, next week she did. The man shoot her, literally shoot her up in there. I said, pussy, will you take my blood clot money? Every minute you tell me, say, the pan period, you bleed. Pow, pow, and one in her head. And that's how she died. I was in high school at that time. I was a high schooler. Yeah, the sun card, so be careful. I know you're tired, or I know you probably love this person. I know you're lonely. You might be very, very lonely. Be careful that the loneliness don't make you have sex with somebody or you want to be wanted so badly, the guy end up getting pregnant. Or me getting be careful. Or me getting pregnancy, they might talk about pregnancy to you. Some pregnancy arguments. Yeah, the Seven of Pentacles. Is the man Jewish? Because if he's fucking a girl who's not supposed to fucking go and ask if you abort the baby. I don't know if you know this. If you're fucking a Jewish man and you get pregnant, he's going to ask you to abort that child. Worse, you're not Jewish. So if you're white, so if him white and you're black, and you catch him on Kijiji cheap on him wife, and you get pregnant, he's going to ask you to abort that child. Or he will never talk to you again. Because he ain't supposed to be fucking niggas. He's Jewish. I'm sorry, I have one more reading to do, and I thought I was only going to do 6 today. I did 12. I did good, God. I did good. I trusted the wrong person. Sagittarius. Taurus. Okay, so we got Taurus and Sagittarius. I don't know what this is. Judgment, Justice card, which is Libra, and one night stand. So I don't know what's going to be happening with you and a Taurus. All I'm saying is, or Cancer, yeah, Cancer is either one Sagittarius or me getting the reason why you're so lonely, one Sagittarius or be with your girl or with your guy. Me getting one night stand Taurus. You had a one night stand with the Taurus or the Sagittarius did. It's saying I trusted the wrong person. So maybe this is saying to me not to have sex with the Sagittarius. One night stand Taurus, I trusted the wrong person, Sagittarius. Or I don't know if a Sagittarius tell you say him and this person is together. Maybe they tell you that so you can back off. Because guys are stupid sometimes, so they will listen to other guys if they lie. So you are back off. Meanwhile, Sagittarius has yet to even penetrate this girl. But he'll have time to do that because you're backed off now. I'm going to leave it here, Cancer. Until next time. Bye.
Oh my God.